as always, again, our cricket wala. Hey Ayaz, you don't like to ask it, but what's going wrong with Mumbai's script?
Well, I mean, it's one of those really pathetic performances from the Mumbai Indians. And I think if they don't watch it, their chances in this IPL are going to recede faster than Sanat Jayasuriya's hairline. It's inexplicable that after restricting the Deccan Chargers to 145, they just barely managed to get past 120. I thought this was a good match to win. Remember, the Deccan Chargers were without Fidel Edwards and Pragyan Ojha, two of their key bowlers. Their batting struggled a bit. Herschel Gibbs went for a blob again. It was not such a difficult match to win, but the minute they lost the two openers, Sanat and Sachin, I think the game was up for Mumbai, and that's going to be a worry because Dumini, he's batting well, he's not finishing a game, he's not winning a match for them, and I think, even somebody like Dwayne Bravo, naturally talented as he is sometimes a little too casual, so they need to really tighten up their game.
As Sachin started the series very well, but seems to be slipping again.
Yeah, I think there is a little worry about a lot of these veterans. I think we've been talking of the revenge of the oldies, but as the tournament progresses, it's high octane stuff, though it's only 20 overs cricket. So I think somewhere, perhaps some of these older guys might start flagging. And I think that's a worry for some of these key players, especially the batsmen, not the spin bowlers, like Kumble and all. But I really think, and to rub salt in Mumbai's wounds, the hero of the match was Rohit Sharma, who was a Bombay boy.
True. Today, important match, the comeback kids, Bangalore and Rajasthan Royals. Important match in that context, that the winner could really go up high on the table?
Absolutely. I think both the matches today are very crucial. There's a jostling for space at the top. Not too many points separate the top 7 teams. But for Bangalore, I think it's a very crucial match. If they can beat Rajasthan Royals, and Rajasthan Royals are beginning to look like the champion team that they were last year, then they will really fancy themselves, the Bangalore side. Kumble seems to have had some kind of magical effect on his team members. Importantly there, Jacques Kallis has come into form. Now he's a terrific all-rounder, as we all know, but has been a so-so performer in the IPL last season and this year. But he's coming back strongly in his batting. I think he's struck a good rapport with Anil Kumble, and that's really important. Where Rajasthan Royals is concerned, of course, Graeme Smith coming back into form is terrific news for Shane Warne. But this is a team of, inspiration. On a given day, one player could just win a match. So if it's not Yusuf Pathan, it could be Ojha. If it's not Ojha, it's Smith. And of course, there's the perennial Shane Warne factor.
I like you even more, Ayaz. Did I tell you that? What about the UV versus Dhoni face-off today?
Yeah, that's another crucial venture, and I think that somewhere Punjab need to, come back a little with a stronger statement that they've made so far. It's a very talented team. For my money, I really thought at the start of the tournament that they were the team to pick, but they haven't been able to somehow come up with a strong performance. Even if they've won the matches, they've not won them so convincingly. For a lineup like that with Katic, Jayawardene, Sangakkara, Irfan Pathan and Yuvraj. Yuvraj has come back into some form with the bat, but he's looking too hassled as a captain. I see him frowning more than he's smiling, and that's always a worry when you're a captain. For Chennai, I think Dhoni has got his smile back, and that's good news for him. But Matt Hayden, Suresh Raina, he's the boy to watch. He's been playing some extraordinary cricket there, especially with the bat. Dhoni himself, Muttiah Muralitharan. This is now it seems to me that the two strongest teams on paper are Chennai and Delhi. I would say that they are emerging as the two strongest teams as yet. So Punjab really have to pull their socks up from here.
Thanks, Ayaz, as always, for dropping by. Those are the two matches coming up today, Chennai Punjab and Bangalore versus Rajasthan Royals. Let's